Cockroach. Let us study the anatomy of cockroach and begin with its alimentary canal. Its alimentary canal is divided into three parts: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Let us understand it through a diagram. You can see here salivary glands and then the esophagus. This esophagus is opening into crop. It is a sac-like structure responsible for the storage of food. This crop is further attached to gizzard. Gizzard is responsible for the grinding of the food, and from gizzard food enters stomach, and then you can see down hepatic ceca is present. This is present at the junction of foregut and midgut and is responsible for the secretion of certain digestive juices. Then is Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules is the functional unit of excretory system in cockroach. It is made up of ciliated and glandular cells and it converts nitrogenous waste into uric acid. That's why cockroach is uricotelic in nature. Then this Malpighian tubules, you can see the opening into ileum, colon, and finally the excretion occurs through rectum. Reproductive system. Cockroach is dioecious in nature, that is both the sexes are separate and are well developed. We can understand it through the diagram. In case of male, testes are present, then small and long tubules are present, spinal vesicles are present, sperms are stored in these spinal vesicles, vas deferens is present, ejaculatory duct is present and caudal style is present. In case of female reproductive unit, you can see ovary is present, oviduct is there, collateral glands are there, gonaphysis is there, and genital pouch, which consists of genital chamber and vestibulum, is present. In case of cockroaches, fertilized egg is encapsulated by a capsule-like structure which is darkish black brown in color known as ootheca. These fertilized eggs in ootheca are usually placed near to the source of food. Respiration in cockroaches occurs through trachea. These trachea, they are present as network and they open into small openings which are known as spiracles and hence helps in circulation of air. Nervous system. In case of cockroaches, nervous system is present as fused segmentally arranged ganglia, and these are the nervous system is more concentrated towards the belly than the head of the cockroach. That's why a cockroach can survive for a week even when its head is cut off. They have open circulatory system. Blood is composed of colorless plasma plus hemocytes, and they do have vision as they have compound eyes, so they have compound vision.